Hi everyone. So today we are solving the weekly contest 359. So I'll be solving the second question now. That is determine the minimum sum of a k avoiding array. Okay. So what is the question states that you are given two integers n and k, and an array of distinct positive integer is called k avoiding array if there does not exist any pair of distinct element that sum up to k. Okay. So we have to return the minimum possible sum of k avoiding array of length n. So, what is the question? Is saying that we have n and k integers, that are two integers, and we need to have an array of integers such that it should contain n elements, and no two elements inside that array should have a sum equal to k. Okay, and we have to return the minimum possible sum of the that particular array. So how do we approach to this question is that, for example, let us say we have this question. Yes, so for example, let us say we have n as 5 and k as 4. Okay, so what do we have to do in this? We need to have an array of 5 elements such that no two elements inside that array should have k equal to 4. Okay, and the sum should also remain minimum in this case. So, how do we approach to this problem? First of all, I hope you're clear with this concept that if a plus b is equal to target, so we can have that is, if two numbers sum up to a particular target, so that means we can write one number equal to target minus a, right? So how do we approach to this problem? What we can do is that, and also the constraints are very low, that is n and k can range from 1 to 50 only, so we can go by brute force also. Okay, so what we can do is we can iterate, we can take an integer equal to 1. Okay, because we need to have a minimum possible sum of that array. So we'll take the first integer as 1, since we cannot have a 0, because n and k can range from 1 only. So we'll take an integer 1, and we will keep adding plus 1 to it, and we can check if that particular 1 has already been present inside our array, or target minus that particular element is already present. That is, we can check if I is not present in our array, and target minus, that is k minus I, should also be not present in our array. Why? Because if any of the element is having if any of the element if any of the both the elements are present, so we can say that that will sum up to target, right? So we need to avoid that case. So how can we keep the frequency of each element? That is by using a set or a map. So I'll be showing you the code. That is, I took a set, okay, and I took a j, that you can take any element, and sum equal to 0. So what we can do is, while we have n, because we need n elements, right, inside our array. So while n is greater than 0, what we can do is we can just check if that particular element is already present in our set, or k minus j, that is, k is the total target, so k minus j is also not present in our arrays, then only we can add that element, that is sum plus equal to j, and we'll insert it in our set, and n minus minus. Else what we can just do is j plus plus. Okay, that is, we'll be increasing that particular element, and we'll return the sum. Okay, so this gets submitted. Yeah, thank you.